Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Beverly. Today I've got something special for you. 4 quick, healthy, and delicious breakfast ideas that'll fuel your body and keep you glowing from the inside out. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day. It kickstarts your metabolism, provides essential nutrients, and sets the tone for the rest of your day. We all know how hectic mornings can be, so I've curated these recipes to be both time efficient and packed with goodness. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and a satisfied stomach. These breakfasts are simple, nutritious, and take under 10 minutes to prepare. From chia seed bowls to green smoothie and veggie omelet wrap, to healthy pancakes, each recipe is crafted to be as delicious as it is nourishing. So, grab your ingredients and let's dive in. I promise, you'll love how easy and tasty these options are. First recipe includes chia seeds, a powerhouse of nutrients rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants that support heart health, digestion, and sustained energy. They balance blood sugar and promote fullness to support healthy weight management, and provides essential minerals like calcium and magnesium for strong bones. Also helps with hydration. This is my go-to for make-ahead mornings. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. They are tiny powerhouses of nutrition that can keep you full and energized throughout the day. Start with 3 tablespoons of chia seeds in a jar. These seeds will absorb the liquid and expand, creating a pudding-like texture. Add 1 cup of almond milk and stir well. You can use any milk of your choice, but almond milk adds a nice, subtle flavor. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. This allows the chia seeds to fully absorb the liquid and thicken. In the morning, top it with fresh berries for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Berries add a burst of flavor and are packed with antioxidants. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix of all 3. Feel free to add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts for extra crunch and sweetness. This berry chia pudding is not only easy to make, but also incredibly versatile. You can prepare it in advance and have a healthy breakfast ready to go. It's perfect for busy mornings or as a quick snack. Enjoy the creamy texture and the fresh taste of berries in every bite. Give it a try and make your mornings a little brighter and healthier. If you like savory, this protein-packed omelet wrap is perfection. Start with 2 eggs, whisked. Add chopped bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Cook in a pan until set. Place the omelet on a whole wheat wrap. Roll it up and enjoy. You only need 4 ingredients for these fluffy, guilt-free pancakes. Combine 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of oats, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of baking powder in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour the batter onto a hot griddle. Cook until bubbles form. Then flip and cook until golden brown. Enjoy with your favorite toppings. Green smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that support immune health, digestion, and glowing skin. Spinach adds iron and folate for energy and cell repair, while the berries provide powerful anti-inflammatory and brain-boosting benefits. Banana adds natural sweetness and potassium, making this smoothie a delicious way to fuel your body and protect it from oxidative stress. Start with a handful of fresh spinach leaves, a sliced banana, and a cup of berries. I like blueberries and strawberries. I do change mine up often to get a wide variety. Add a glass of almond milk, then blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy your refreshing green glow smoothie. And there you have it. 4 easy and nourishing breakfasts to start your day the natural way. Each of these recipes is designed to give you the energy and nutrients you need to tackle your day with a smile. Whether you prefer something sweet like my chia seed bowl, the veggie omelet, the banana pancakes, or the nutrient-packed green smoothie, there's something here for everyone. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting it off with wholesome ingredients can make a huge difference in how you feel. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. And if you have any other favorite breakfast recipes, feel free to share them with our community. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Help me to grow my channel. Share this video with friends and family who are looking to improve their morning routine and start their day on a healthy note. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant, and keep nourishing your body with the best foods possible. I'll see you soon with more tips and recipes to help you live your best life. Take care and have a wonderful day.